I'm Jesse. I'm a second year and I play softball here at NDSCS. And what interested me in pursuing this program was it's kind of like a fast track program. It's a 2-year degree and I love medicine and I love helping people. NDSCS feels like home. It gives more of a 4-year feel instead of a 2-year feel, even though it's like a smaller campus. The fact that it was the right program for me, I think Melissa is a really good teacher. She's really good at helping with her students.
I've always wanted to work in like a medical field. I'm not a big fan of like internal, like the blood, all of that aspect.
I've always known that I wanted to be in like a medical field. At first I went for OT last year. That wasn't really the right fit for me, so then I looked more into pharmacy tech and I fell in love with it. Melissa was very helpful with like changing over my courses and figuring out like what other classes like I needed to take.
They're just a very helping faculty here. If you need anything, you can ask anybody and they will direct you to where they need to, and they make you feel at home.